Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the mic and a PC. Now start the actual connection. First, identify whether it's USB 3, 5mm TRRS, or a wireless dongle. This determines the adapter. Once done, install any console-specific drivers or the latest firmware on your PC so the device enumerates correctly. Next, attach a TRRS to TRS splitter for headsets or plug the dongle into a USB port. Make sure the PC recognizes new hardware in Device Manager before moving forward. Now configure audio routing so the mic behaves like a PC device. Open Sound Settings and select the console mic or USB adapter as the default input. This tells apps where to record from. Then adjust sample rate to 44,100 or 48,000 Hz and choose 16-bit or 24-bit for stability. If you need mixing, open OBS or Voicemeeter to route the mic into streams or records. Set gain, enable monitoring, and add noise suppression. Make sure levels peak below 0 dB. Finish by testing and locking settings so the mic is reliable. Open a voice recorder or your communication app and speak at a normal distance. Confirm clear, strong signal on meters. If volume is low, increase gain, enable software boost, or swap adapters because TRRS pinouts can differ. For latency-sensitive uses, reduce buffer size in your audio interface or use direct hardware monitoring. If you still get no sound, reboot. Try a different USB port and verify Device Manager shows no conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.